Top 5 Crypto Wallets in 2022. If you're new to crypto, you probably haven't heard the phrase, not your keys, not your crypto, which basically means that if you store your crypto assets on an exchange or with any kind of third-party custodian, you have no guarantee of ownership. No worries, because with a crypto wallet, you can keep your private keys, the passwords that give you access to your cryptocurrencies, safe and accessible, allowing you to send and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They come in many forms, from hardware wallets like Ledger, which looks like a USB stick, to mobile apps like Coinbase Wallet, which makes using crypto as easy as shopping with a credit card online. In this video, we'll go over the top 5 crypto wallets in 2022. 5. Coinbase Wallet. The secure app to store crypto yourself. Best for beginners, it's a hot wallet type and it's free to set up. Here's some pros and cons. Pros. The company is well funded to recoup lost or stolen digital assets. It protects user control with two-factor authentication. The wallet implements multi-signature access for all users. The wallet is completely backed by Coinbase, that is a reputable exchange in the crypto world. The wallet has advanced capabilities for providing access as well as restricting access to the digital financial instruments such as NFTs, altcoins, and stablecoins. Cons. The wallet may act as a hosted wallet by storing the private keys elsewhere. The wallet is currently not supporting Bitcoin storage. Next up we have 4. Metamask Wallet. A crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. Best for short term. It's also a hot wallet type and it's free to set up. Here's some pros and cons. Pros. It's open source. Private keys kept on the browser. Easy to use. Used to access the Ethereum blockchain. Integrations with Ledger devices. Cons. A hot wallet. Security concerns. Only supports Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. And next we have 3. Exodus Desktop Wallet. Exodus Desktop gives you a way to secure, manage, and exchange your cryptocurrency in one beautiful application. Best for desktop users. It's a hot wallet type as well, and it's free to set up like the previous 2 we covered. Here's some pros and cons. Pros. Allows users to retain their private keys. Supports multiple cryptocurrencies. Allows in-app crypto-to-crypto exchange. Beautiful user interface. Easy to use, beginner-friendly. Available as a mobile application too. Cons. High transaction fee. Doesn't allow manual transaction fee decision. Doesn't offer two-factor authentication. Does not support multi-signature addresses. Is not a highly secure wallet. Okay, let's keep the ball rolling onto the next one, which is 2. Crypto.com DeFi Wallet. A non-custodial wallet that gives you access to a full suite of DeFi services in one place. Best for DeFi, it's a hot wallet type and free to set up. Here's some pros and cons. Pros. You own the private keys and have full control over your wallet and your funds. The wallet is decentralized. A decentralized wallet also means no single point of failure. If the DeFi wallet isn't working, you can easily import your wallet into any other non-custodial wallet. You don't need to create an account to use the wallet, and you're not required to provide your identity. Cons. Since the wallet is decentralized and every transaction happens on-chain, you need to pay the transaction fee and wait for the transaction to be confirmed. If you lose your private keys and the recovery phrase, you can't access the funds and there's no way around it. Last but not least, number 1, the Ledger Nano X. Ledger's the smartest way to secure, buy, exchange, and grow your crypto assets. Best for long term, it's a cold wallet type. The cost for the hardware wallet is currently $149. Here's some pros and cons. Pros. Beginner friendly and easy to use. Highly secured, 100% cold storage. AES encrypted Bluetooth. Great value for money. Cons. Higher price than other hardware wallets. Requires to pair applications. Alright, that's all for the top 5 crypto wallets in 2022. In conclusion, crypto wallets are important because unlike a normal wallet, which can hold actual cash, crypto wallets technically don't store your crypto. Your holdings live on the blockchain, but can only be accessed using a private key. Your keys prove your ownership of your digital money or digital assets and allow you to make transactions. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video informative, do like, subscribe, and share this video. let us know what you think and your top 5 picks in the comments below. See you in the upcoming video, and until then, stay tuned to Crypto Headz.